Bawal yung babarilan agad. Go,
Ako
go,
na,
go.
takot ako bumari. Supposed to be an ambush.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Wow.
Uy!
Boom!
tamaan.
Katamaan!
The convoy's almost on you. Get ready to take out the Merryweather detail and get the truck.
Uy!
May
Oh my
bomba
God!
nga! Meron nga!
May bombas!
Help them! Help! Get them out!
Katniss? Katniss, can you tell everyone what you're seeing right now?
I have a message for President Snow. You can torture us
Can
and
bomb us and burn our
Burn our
districts to the
districts
ground. But do you see that? Fire is catching. And if we burn, you burn with us.
Get ready to take out the Merryweather detail and get the truck.
Papatayin ba yan? Papatayin ba yan?
Yeah.
No, wait, napapatayin ka lang kung kukunin natin yung track.
Hijack
Wait,
daw
no.
yung truck eh.
Ay,
So we
hijack
can
ba?
destroy
Ba't
it.
papasabugin yun?
Joke lang, di ko
Oh no. Ay wow. All calculated. Let's kill these bitches. Ah!
Girl, why were you in the fucking middle of the fucking road?
Let's kill this bitch! Die!
Bakit ako ng one shot?
Si ate girl tumayo lang sa open.
So funny!
Why were you out in the open?
Paano pala pumunta ng circle?
QC Circle, ano lang, sakay ka
Teleport!
lang. Sakay ka lang ng sakay ka lang ng Oh my god, look at my butt. What the fuck?
whoa.
Real.
In fact, I don't want to look at your butt.
Ma booty.
Booty,
Paano
booty.
yung pag-record ng Nag-record pa ba?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ano ba?
Oh my god.
Ano? Ikaw din! Oh my God, Lisa. Yung helmet ni Ken.
Pangit naman ako sa inyong paningin.
Sorry.
I'm okay.
Ayun.
Ay, ano gagawin?
We will steal
Pure.
Electro. Do we kill
Tagis
these
tayo.
bitches?
This is our territory.
Ay, kalaban pala to.
Oh my God!
Gago!
Oh my
Bakit
god.
ang lakas to? Ano?
Natulog ako.
Pangit ko.
Motorcycles.
May mga, ano dito, armor.
Aray!
Dito sa akin, dito sa akin. May armor sa likod. Kung
Mas
bawat
mababa.
one.
Stash him in the alley for the
Ano yung
job.
KERS?
Carry yourself.
Sounds like the Lost are mobilizing their troops. Correct? Stay out in front of them.
Aray ko, bakit ang motor ko?
Yung
Electro ba
Electro.
to? Tangina,
Hindi ata
Electro
yan, yung
ba?
isa ata.
I got superpower.
Paano yun?
E.
Oh fuck!
Gago,
I'm
be.
gonna die!
Ano to?
Ay,
Yung kay Frank?
Oo.
Bumangga
Ay.
ka sa puno. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Tayo ba, Jojo?
Alam mo?
Aray ko, yung ano ba yun? Yung kay Franklin ba yun?
Oo.
Ang ina naging dork. Gago na.
Naging dorp na siya. Assault pala. Sabi ko Sleeping Beauty.
We need all four for the job.
Meron pa dito!
When you've got him, stash him in the alley for the
Busin
job.
mo muna natin.
Wag na, wag na!
What about my motorcycle?
This is private property, not a
Run! Kay!
Ayun, meron dyan sa likod.
Sounds like the Lost are mobilizing their troops. A wrecked bike is no good to us, people. Stay out in front of them.
Just like a flower.
Okay na?
Okay. Puta.
Ay, ka sa katamata ko.
Tumegwin yung isa.
Para may iwasan ko sila. Gago! Nabangga ako.
Oh no! No! No!
Ano nangyari?
Bakit na mamamatay ka pa?
Oh God.
Meron pa sa likod.
Ay, sorry.
Oh shit!
Damn, fancy.
Ooh!
Uy, uy. Uy, uy.
Ang pangit ng fit
Iba
ng
pa
damit
ba?
ko.
For real.
Luwag.
Raggedy.
Ready. Ready up. Ready.
Ang laki ng damit mo sa'yo.
Ano ba yan?
Oh my God.
Ew!
Here we go again.
Ah, shit.
Let's do this.
Our boat. Stay together or go a different way if you want, but this will be the safest route. I like the way you operate. If this job had gone different, we'd be dealing
Ay,
with
gago!
more cops. Come on!
Gago! Nagulungan ako sirin.
Car na yan eh.
That's mine.
Let's go in, Ellen DeGeneres.
Alright, here we go. We've all been waiting for.
Shut the fuck up!
Get in the bank, then more cops.
Nagbugbuan yung puso.
Liar.
Uy,
Oh, sorry!
On the left chance.
ako kay...
I'm advertising my nightclub!
Oh my God. Solomon.
Yeah!
Oh my God.
Hey, palit tayo, JM. That's my color.
Hey, that's my color.
Look at me.
That's
diba?
my color.
Oh, diba?
Oh!
Uy!
Oh.
Putang ina mo. Binarya.
Oh! Dying.
He's choking on cock.
Oh my God.
Oh!
I wish. Mas madali pang gawin yung...
Oh my God. Ayan.
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh! Ate ko! Ano? Hello? Oh! Oh! Yan, pakahan mo, pakahan mo.
Fuck you pigs. Want some of this?
Pakahan mo, pakahan mo. Sorry. Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry.
Bitch. Tangina 12k. Tangina mo Jujiro.
Be, tingnan mo, be.
Ha? Nasaan ka?
Oh. Hindi ako natutumba. Where do we go?
To my clubhouse, like we originally planned.
Ang layo na.
Pero don't worry, naka-motor tayo.
Girl! Oh my lord, ang layo.
Wait, saan ba tayo dadaan? Oh,
So far.
we're going the long route. Okay lang.
Oh my god.
We're reclaiming the rainbow!
Kung Fu Rainbow Laser Force, the upper middle class superhero team that protects your innocence any way they can.
Of my car. Wait, I didn't look at my car.
Look at my car. It's ano, shiny.
Oh, pares tayo.
Ay, parehas tayo! Holy fuck!
Oh my god.
Ella!
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Ano yan?
Parehas na isip.
What the fuck? Bagal talaga umakit sa stairs.
True. Oh.
You do know there's
Ang ginagawa ko. Nakikita mo ba yun?
May elevator?
Nakikita mo ba yung ginagawa ko? Oh my god. My getaway driver sucks. Oh my...
That's why we got ano.
Gotta switch. Come on. Oh my lord.
Gotta switch. Hoy, putang ina, pinangga yung helicopter ko! Holy shit! What the fuck?
Gago,
Okay pa
tumabing
ba?
ito.
Okay. Oh my
Hindi.
god. Okay ka pa, helicopter? Pwede pa kita sakyan? Putang ina!